Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are diving into Sora's physics in motion features, one of the most mind-blowing parts of OpenAI's video generator. Here we'll learn how to make movement, objects, and environments feel real just like in live-action footage. So let's just get started. So you can just go over to Sora.com for that. You can head over this OpenAI official website for Sora and open it up and log in. If you're not logged in, you can look out for the login option at the top and log in into your account. And here, first of all, what are the physics and the motion mean in Sora? So you can see this particular one right here, the object that has been created using Sora. So that kind of features are something that makes character walk, run, or jump with realistic weight and balance. You can look out for different examples available on your screen right here, those kind of things. And objects fall, bounce, collide based on real physics as well, and even environmental effects like wind, water flow, and lightning behave naturally. It's not just an animation, it's an AI world simulation available. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and describe your image. Let's upload an image. You can go over, look out for this plus icon and click on it, and you can choose from your library you upload from a device. Let me just upload from my device one of the image, and you can agree to the terms and conditions before uploading it. You can read it out that you do not need to upload media containing people without their consent, like you cannot provide in real person's image. So you can just go ahead and accept those terms, and you can select up the image that you would like to upload. So for example, this is the one I would like to upload, and you can click on open and particularly upload the image. So here what you need to do is you need to go ahead and use prompts that describes the motion clearly. To make physics work, right, your prompt must describe the motion precisely. So for example, you have this image right here with a house. So what you can type is you can just go ahead and type in some prompts requiring physics, for example. So you need to type in a very descriptive prompt. Let me just show you. For example, something like this. So right now I have uploaded an image with a house in the clouds. So I'm just going to type in something prompt like a house floating in the clouds with bridge, with the air flowing around with a realistic effect. You can just go ahead and provide it. So you can just go ahead and give physical and cinematic context, and that is how it will nail the realism. So you can just go ahead and provide it and hit enter. You can type in remix, click on remix, or you can even change the ratio and everything and the variations as well and click on it. And once you provide it up, you can just go ahead and wait for some certain minutes, and Sora will understand the cause and the effect. That will help with the physics consistency. So instead of just describing actions, you can even describe reactions as well sometimes. You can just go ahead and provide it up, and that small cues will tell Sora to calculate the motion realistically. So you can just go ahead and do so, and that way you can control how the camera moves to enhance the motion realism, and type in different kind of prompts that will help you interact with the surroundings like rain, splashing, etc. as well. And you may need to wait for a certain minute, and it may take some time for that to be completed. Once it is completed, you can just go ahead and review and refine the outputs as well. You can just go ahead and do so. If something feels off, you can adjust your prompt once again in this box right here to include more context, like with realistic weight and natural timing, or a camera remaining steady, etc. And that's it. So therefore, that's how you use Sora's physics and motion features properly, by giving a very clear and detailed prompts that describe how things move, react, and feel. So if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share for more guides.